Hey, this is Chris back up here at the shop. Whoa, 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 whoa. Can't be doing all that. But where we're at here is this bike got burned. I've cleaned it up. I have a 100cc bore kit, the big bore kit in it. That's why I'm going to put a new stator, which is coming in tomorrow with a new key switch. And I have a new frame that I'm going to put it on, which goes right there to this bike. I figured why not use this? It already has a brand new wire loom. Brand new. Everything's already. I was going to run my own wire loom that I have on the wall hanging there above the glass with that yellow chain hanging down. But why do that when I have a new frame here, pretty much? The whole top unit. It's got 3,522 miles on it. It's a 2020 bike, but it's alright. It'll work. This will do. I'll get a new key. I got the key chain. I got everything coming for that. This is for the wire looms here. Got the CDI box wires around here somewhere. Got them hanging in here too. I've seen them somewhere earlier. All around here, I'll find them. Oh, I'll put them onto a CDI box already. Right there. Put them on my CDI box. The plan is